Hey, it's your boy Joey. I got at least one video besides this one coming. The garage stuff took really long. I'm about 95% done. Just want to do little updates on the plants. We have the grandma spider plant. This thing's still doing good. I moved it. I moved a bunch of this stuff. So one of these was growing up along the wall. I'll probably end up cutting all those off. All the babies. We got that spider plant from Dad's. It's doing okay. This guy here I got from work, but I kind of forgot about it, so I don't know. Now it's perking up a little bit. We'll see how it does. We got it in the moving water. The pothos is still back there growing. We got the purple boy, the inch plant, or transcendia, whatever you want to call it. This was the piece that was in the filter, growing roots. This is a piece I just broke off because it was too long. We have a green and white one now. This is a version of it also. This is a fuzzy version of that same plant. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 versions of it. This is a grandma plant too. This is doing really well. This piece doesn't have anything growing on it, but if you look in here, you can see this is new and this is new. This has got a bunch of new growth up here. We have the broken dad plant. It's still doing. My polka dots, don't mind the dead growth, I just haven't cut it. Those are all doing well. The Thai constellation monstera, maybe I have a new leaf. Did this have 3 or 4? I don't remember. But there's 4 beautiful leaves here. It's happy. The snake plant. What is this doing in here? I don't know. We're just gonna leave it, see what happens. Oh, a couple of those broke off. I do have to deal with that a little better. That's some cuttings I got from work. That's more cuttings I got from work. Here's some more broken pieces I got from work. A string of pearls, that's a broken piece from work. Thought there was more. Oh, there's a couple here. There's a string of pearls, there's a string of like turtle or something in there. I definitely have to handle that better. But this is the pot for whatever that is. This monstera thing is doing well. This back one's doing the best though. That's really growing wild. Yeah. This thing is just doing, it's alive. I'll definitely want to trim it way back because I don't have the space for a monster that big. And I need to change a lot of pots for these. This is the pretty pot I got for the monstera. And I want to get a long pot for all these cuttings to get them going, but these aren't dying, so I'm happy. Oh, there's this other one over here. This is a Swiss cheese thing. I don't know if it's gonna live or die, but we got a couple pieces in here. And it's still green, so we'll see what happens with that. The fish tank plants, those are doing good. There's a broken piece of the Anubis that got stuck to the filter that's growing. That piece is dead. Gotta test the heater, see if any of them work to keep this a little warmer. This new stuff, hornwort, I think, that's growing really well in here. My babies, when I finally have shrimp, I think the first ones I got sucked up into the filter. Sad day. But babies will be able to hide in there, so that's gonna be awesome. Whatever that is, it's still green, but it's not really growing. And there's whatever that is there. I think that's more Anubis. I think that's really going well in here. But yeah, that's a plant update. When I have the money, I'm going to buy automation stuff for this, automatic drippers so it can water it for me, and sensors and stuff, and tell me if any of them are too dry, too long, humidity for the area. The fish tank is definitely keeping the humidity in here higher so I can breathe real nice. But yeah, I'm gonna go with I'm pretty happy right now. Plants seem to be happy. They've all been here a while. I do have to fix the timer for this shop light. It's not really the greatest for these plants, but for now, it should get me through winter time. But I'm gonna peace out. My hot dog dinner is just about done. I'm gonna listen about some game on here and edit this video. So yeah. Oh, I'll have the garage video done this weekend, I think. Probably like Friday. But yeah, gonna edit this real quick, get it up. Yeah. Oh, diesel heater's working great. It's been 18 degrees. This is Celsius, so this is like almost 70, like 68 degrees. We still got running water, so that's awesome. But yeah, peace out.